guys. So, is he coming?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to be there later.
Hi guys. Hi guys. What's in it? Hi guys. Guys, that's in Johnny. You can then. Your ex. Guys, I'm so put my mind in your ex. Honestly. Thank you, guys. This one is letting me I love you guys too. Oh my egg in Tandani. So I didn't understand this in Tandani. I can't accept any yes, I can't accept any co-host because yeah, put my mind like I said, bengidlula bengifuna ukuthi sanibonani. Baba simsasa Dubai kwamanje. Abibi. Dubai. Usibarweni uvele nje usimanga. Thank you. Hey, kumnandi nje eDubai bafethu awukho mama. Ngiyadlala bafethu, I'm joking. Thank you. Bafethu ngiyadlala ukuthi ngiseDubai ne. La ngihlala khona. Semngane wami. Authorized. You're welcome. I can't, but I can tell you to look up good agencies in South Africa online and try to sign yourself up for one. Thank you guys. Oh, you guys are so cute and sweet. Hayi ibona phi imvula la sireni ifanele. Hayi bo wena. Yazala. Hayi bo wena. Guys, I'm gonna end the live soon. But can you please help me guys again? Tell me what you like. Tell me what like. I've been appreciating. Thank you so much. What's guys, okay. Kodwa ungaphindi uhambe uyikommente lento oyikomentayo emgodweni. Usemgodweni? Ungaphindi uyenze leyo nto, please. Never know, like could be bears and something. Must be since it's up with born to I'm good. Thank you. Hey, Papa, you guys, nice.